One other thing that we use here in the clinic that's a little bit more unique is a device called the Neubie, which is from an American company called NeuFit. This device is a frequency-specific microcurrent device. It uses a low-level current to find areas of tension within the body. We then place pads on those points of tension and place a low-level charge through those tissues. Depending on what might be presenting, whether it's pain and or weakness, we then manipulate the machine, and then we use either movement-based therapies or passive ranges of motion depending on what walks of life we're using with the technique. And this machine I've found to have some fantastic results with a lot of different presenting complaints, particularly those chronic neurological conditions like multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's, but also with just the general low back presentations, neck, shoulder, knee presentations, which would be probably the most common things that walk through the door as presenting complaints.